Okay, so let's do Jean Grey here. Let's just do a quick mannequin. Her shoulders are going across like that. And her head is facing us. Something like that. And then the bicep is kind of pointing up here. So that would lead me to believe that I should draw the board like this. We might see a bit of the top edge of it here. The cylinder for the elbow joint, well, gotta be a little longer, would be here, like that. And then you've got the bottom of the bicep, so her bicep would be, here's the deltoids. Right, okay, so the bicep would be like this. The cylinder for the arm would be, you would just see a little bit of the edge of it here, like that. So the arm could fold up towards the chest, and then the forearm, like that. And then the cool hand pose. And the finger, one finger up like that, and then out, and down like that. Okay, something like that. I'm doing this pretty quick. And maybe the elbow would be down here a little more like that. Okay. And here. The ribbon hair. Okay, something like that. And this going over here like that. And now this, you know, she's pretty well endowed here for sure. Etc., etc. So if the cylinder of the elbow is like this, then here's the radius. It's going to start here and go over to the thumb side on top like that. And then the ulna is going to be down here and go over. It'll be underneath. So the radius will be on top here like this. And the ulna, the elbow bone, will cross over underneath to the pinky like that. Okay. And yeah, Roger Cruz, very sleek, really good. I really like his stuff. And he's pretty economical, but gets a lot of the anatomy across with a few lines, which I really like. And there's the collarbones like that. Now this arm is behind, but how would it go? It would go like this. The biceps would be facing pretty much this way. So that means we would see the edge of the arm here like that. The cylinder of the elbow would be, we'd see a bit of the bottom and it would go up a bit like that. And it might be back here a little bit more, and then we're going to see that arm come out. And the fist like that, and the thumb, he actually drew the thumb correctly, which I really appreciate. And 1, 2, 3, and the pinky like this. So that means that the bones are pretty much parallel. So the radius would be on top on this side and go to the thumb, and the ulna would be underneath and go to the pinky side. So, and I love the way he does the wrist tendons in here like that. That's pretty cool. Okay, so there you go. That's a look at how I think about drawing arms. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to send them, and yeah, we can discuss. All right, so here we go. So I hope that helped you guys, okay, in drawing and posing your arms. All right, that's it.